Hello everyone, today I'm making one of my absolute favorite no-bake chocolate treats. Let's get started. First we need 80 grams or half a cup of dates. Pour some water on them and let them soak for about 15 minutes. This makes them soft and easy to blend. While those are soaking, let's prepare the dry ingredients. We'll grind up 40 grams of hazelnuts until they turn into fine powder. Then do the same with 30 grams of rolled oats, Next, add in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is what gives us that deep chocolate flavor. Once the dates are nice and soft, drain the water and remove the pits. Also, I just want to say, if you've been watching my videos for a while, thank you so much, and if you're new, welcome to El Kitchen. Now blend them very well with 1 tablespoon of water until they become smooth. Now mix everything together. You should get a soft dough that holds together easily. It's a little sticky, a little gooey, but don't worry about it. I shaped mine into rectangles, but feel free to get creative. Now place them into the freezer for 30 minutes to firm up. Meanwhile, let's prepare the coating. Okay, we will roughly chop some roasted hazelnuts. Don't go too fine because we want that crunch. Then melt about 100 grams of dark chocolate, either in the microwave or using a double boiler. It's totally up to you. Also, you can add a spoon of oil to make it shiny, but honestly today I skipped that. Reserve 2 or 3 tablespoons of the melted chocolate in the piping bag. We'll use that for decoration later. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer dark chocolate or milk chocolate for treats like this? Now take your frozen bars and dip them fully into the chocolate and let the excess drip off and place them on parchment paper. I honestly love reading your comments. You all give the best baking tips and ideas, so keep them coming. Chill them in the fridge for 15 minutes until the chocolate sets. Now comes my favorite part, decorating. Drizzle the reserved chocolate over the top. It's relaxing, don't you think? While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle on those chopped hazelnuts. It gives the bar a perfect crunch and looks gorgeous too. Back into the fridge, they go for just 5 more minutes and they're ready to serve. I also made a cup of fragrant black tea with a few dried herbs. It pairs so well with these little treats. Seriously, try it. These bars are quick, healthy, and so delicious. I really hope you try them. And hey, if you do that, let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming recipes. By the way, thank you so much for being here. You guys are honestly the best part of this channel.